In an era defined by automation, AI-driven autofocus, and spec-heavy mirrorless cameras, Leica continues to move in the opposite direction. The Leica M EV1 is not designed to compete with mass-market hybrids or content-first systems. Instead, it represents Leica's careful evolution of the legendary M philosophy into a modern electronic form, preserving the essence of rangefinder photography while thoughtfully integrating contemporary imaging technology. The M EV1 is about intention over automation, precision over convenience, and character over computational perfection. At its core, the camera introduces a newly developed high-resolution full-frame sensor, the next-generation Maestro 4 imaging engine, refined manual focus assist tools, and a meticulously tuned electronic viewfinder that bridges analog heritage with modern usability. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore the design, sensor performance, Leica's refined color science, shooting experience, video capabilities, connectivity upgrades, and the subtle decisions that bring the M system confidently into 2026. The Leica M EV1 continues Leica's tradition of timeless industrial design, combining minimalist aesthetics with modern structural refinement. At first glance, the camera is unmistakably an M: clean geometry, restrained branding, and a perfectly proportioned silhouette that prioritizes balance and handling. The body is constructed from a newly reinforced brass and magnesium hybrid chassis, offering exceptional rigidity while maintaining the solid, reassuring weight Leica users associate with durability and craftsmanship. The top and bottom plates are precision milled, while the refined leatherette covering features improved grip texture for greater security during long shooting sessions or one-handed operation. Button placement remains intentionally sparse, reinforcing Leica's philosophy of distraction-free photography. Each dial offers a smooth, mechanical resistance that feels deliberate and precise. The rear of the camera features a new 3.4-inch high-resolution OLED touch display, protected by sapphire glass and factory-calibrated for accurate color, contrast, and brightness. Touch functionality is deliberately limited to essential interactions such as image review, focus magnification, and menu navigation, ensuring the shooting experience remains tactile and focused. The electronic viewfinder represents a significant leap forward, a 6.2 million OLED EVF with ultra-low latency, high refresh rate, and carefully tuned optics designed to replicate the natural fluidity and immediacy of an optical rangefinder. Weather resistance has also been discreetly enhanced with improved sealing around ports, dials, and seams, offering greater confidence in challenging environments without compromising the camera's clean design. Despite the added electronic complexity, the M EV1 remains compact, dense, and beautifully balanced. A camera that feels like a precision instrument rather than a piece of consumer electronics. At the heart of the Leica M EV1 is a newly developed 61-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, engineered specifically to complement Leica M-mount lenses. Unlike conventional full-frame sensors, this design incorporates a precisely angled microlens array that accommodates the unique light paths produced by wide-angle M optics, ensuring consistent sharpness and illumination from center to edge. Paired with the Maestro 4 image processor, the sensor delivers exceptional resolving power while maintaining Leica's signature tonal subtlety. Dynamic range is expansive, with smooth highlight roll-off and deep, nuanced shadow detail that preserves texture rather than crushing it. High ISO performance has been meaningfully refined, producing cleaner results with reduced chroma noise and improved shadow fidelity. Leica's restrained noise reduction approach preserves natural grain structure, avoiding the plasticky look often associated with aggressive processing. The absence of an optical low-pass filter allows lenses to fully express their optical character, resulting in striking micro-contrast, edge definition, and a palpable sense of depth. Fine details are rendered with clarity but never harshness, maintaining an organic, almost film-like quality. Color transitions appear smooth and natural, contributing to images that feel dimensional and emotionally engaging. Whether shooting in RAW for maximum flexibility, or relying on Leica's refined JPEG profiles, the M EV1 consistently delivers images that emphasize authenticity, nuance, and visual integrity. Leica's renowned color science remains central to the M EV1's identity, with subtle refinements that enhance realism without altering its signature look. Colors are rich yet restrained, favoring natural saturation and accurate tonal relationships over exaggerated vibrancy. Skin tones appear lifelike, with gentle warmth and smooth gradation that avoids artificial color shifts under mixed lighting. Leica introduces updated film style profiles inspired by classic analog emulsions, each offering a distinct tonal response while maintaining consistent color accuracy. Leica Naturel provides a balanced, neutral foundation ideal for documentary, street, and travel photography, while Classic Chrome introduces deeper shadows and controlled highlights for a timeless, cinematic feel. White balance accuracy has been improved through refined ambient light analysis, ensuring stable results across complex lighting scenarios. Advanced color controls allow photographers to fine-tune saturation, contrast, tone curves, and color depth without degrading image quality. These adjustments can be saved as custom profiles, enabling photographers to maintain a consistent visual language across projects. The result is color rendering that feels intentional, emotional, and unmistakably Leica, refined rather than redefined. Staying true to the M lineage, the Leica M EV1 places manual focus at the center of the shooting experience, while enhancing it with intelligent electronic assistance. Focus peaking is more accurate and customizable, offering adjustable intensity and color options that remain visible without overwhelming the frame. A new high magnification focus assist mode provides exceptional clarity through the EVF, making critical focus reliable even with fast apertures and shallow depth of field. Rather than adopting full automation, Leica introduces a subtle subject awareness system that improves focus confirmation without removing creative control from the photographer. Shutter response is immediate and tactile, with minimal lag and a refined mechanical feel that reinforces the connection between action and result. Continuous shooting reaches up to 8 frames per second, restrained by modern standards, but perfectly aligned with the deliberate pace of M-system photography. Menu navigation is streamlined and logically organized, reducing unnecessary complexity. Battery efficiency has been improved, and USB-C fast charging allows the camera to remain powered during extended shooting or studio sessions. Every interaction with the M EV1 feels purposeful, rewarding photographers who value process as much as outcome. Although video is not the primary focus of the Leica M EV1, its capabilities have been carefully and deliberately expanded to meet the expectations of modern creators without compromising the camera's photographic identity. The M EV1 supports 6K recording at up to 30p, as well as oversampled 4K at 60p, producing footage with impressive detail retention, smooth tonal transitions, and a natural rendering that aligns with Leica's visual character. The oversampling process significantly reduces aliasing and moire, resulting in a cleaner, more refined image compared to previous generations. Internal 10-bit recording with L-Log provides substantially greater flexibility for color grading, allowing filmmakers to shape highlights and shadows while preserving Leica's distinctive color response and organic contrast. Rolling shutter performance is well controlled thanks to optimized sensor readout, making handheld shooting and slow camera movements far more usable. Thermal performance has also been improved through an advanced passive heat dissipation design, enabling stable recording sessions without the need for intrusive fans or active cooling systems that would compromise the camera's compact form and silent operation. Manual exposure and manual focus remain central to the video experience, reinforcing Leica's philosophy of intentional image making and appealing to filmmakers who value precision, consistency, and direct creative control over automated assistance. Connectivity has been comprehensively modernized with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE, and USB-C data transfer, enabling faster wireless image transfer, reliable remote operation, and seamless integration with Leica's mobile ecosystem. Together, these thoughtful upgrades allow the M EV1 to fit naturally into contemporary hybrid workflows while maintaining its minimalist, photographer-first philosophy. The Leica M EV1 is not a camera for everyone, and that is precisely its strength. It doesn't chase trends, inflate specifications, or attempt to replace highly automated mirrorless systems. Instead, It refines a philosophy that has endured for decades. Photography as a deliberate, tactile, and deeply personal craft. By merging Leica's iconic M design with modern sensor technology, refined electronic viewing, and subtle digital enhancements, the M EV1 feels like a natural evolution rather than a reinvention. It respects the past while quietly embracing the future. For photographers who value optical excellence, intentional shooting, and emotional image making over convenience and automation, the Leica M EV1 stands as one of the most authentic and thoughtfully designed cameras of the modern era.